guys, what's up, what's going on? I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to review the Honda CR-V. I know I've already reviewed it, but that was the 2011 model and this is the 2008 model. So you can see the car looks very nice and I'm going to review this, so please do watch the video till the end, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Laris. Okay guys, let's start with the video. So this is the key of the car. As you can see, you're getting a Honda logo. You can lock and unlock your car from here. So not a flip key, but it's a normal key. Okay guys, so let's start with the video. So as you can see, the front profile of the car looks mind-bogglingly phenomenal. So you can see the front look is little bit aggressive, which adds a little bit style to the front profile of the car. And straight away talking about the headlamps of the car. So you're getting projector headlamps and halogen headlamps. So this projector is for your lower beam. This halogen is for your higher beam. Halogen indicator as well. And you're not getting any fog lamp over here. And first of all, let me tell you guys, this is the 2008 model which I'm reviewing now. And this is the EX variant. So this is the second lower trim. So you will not get any fog lamp over here. But if you go for the higher trim, you will get it for sure. So talking about the grill, you're getting nice chrome finish on the grill. Honda logo up front there. So what happened now that this design from 2007 was continued till 2011. But in 2012 obviously they got a new design. But in 2010 they got a facelift. Which in that facelift, what was the change? That the grill was slightly bigger. And the car which I'm reviewing right now is the pre-facelift version. Okay guys, so straight away talking about the side profile of the car. So you can see the side profile of the car looks very nice. And straight away talking about the tires. So these are 225. So let's take the tire size. This 225, 65 R17. So these are 17 inches alloy wheels with disc brakes. So 4 tires are getting disc brake. Getting a nice alloy wheel design. I like it personally. Very simple and sober. Very nice and attractive as well. And Honda logo over there, which is very nice. And straight away talking about your OVO RVM. So you can see the OVO RVMs looks very nice. The design of the OVO RVMs is very nice, and you're getting a indicator integrated in the OVO RVM itself. No chrome door handles, nothing sort of that. So you can see, but the chrome you're getting is only on the window line. So you can see the window line is full of chrome finish, which is quite nice. So you can see chrome finish on the window line, so it's very nice. So as you can see, in the rear even you're getting disc brakes with Honda logo. And if you talk about the fuel lid, so the fuel lid of the car is on the other side. So as you can see, here's the fuel lid of the car. Okay guys, so straight away talking about the rear profile of the car. You can see the rear profile looks mind-bogglingly phenomenal. Actually, I like the rear looks, but if you'd have got a spoiler now, I would have just loved it. And very nicely done. So this is your halogen tail lamps, halogen indicators, halogen reverse light. So in the rear is full halogen setup. Again CR-V logo up front there. And Honda says that CR-V stands for comfortable runabout vehicle, which is nice. Honda badging over here. iVTEC sticker. So this is a 2.4 liter petrol engine iVTEC. Okay, your exhaust over there, rear reflectors, all-wheel drive sticker, rear wiper, rear washer, wiper washer, and then your antenna, which is not shark fin antenna. It is a normal antenna obviously. And straight away let's open the boot of the car. So from here we can open it. Yeah. Okay guys, so here the boot has opened of the car, as you can see. So this is going to be your boot space. So it's quite nice and big. So quite nice boot space. And for closing the boot, you're getting a handle over here. But before that, let's show you something. You're getting a number plate light over here. And here we go. The boot has closed. And now let's enter the rear seat of the car. So guys, this is going to be a rear door, as you can see, very nicely done. And I wanted to tell you something. The roof is not in a coupe style, okay, but this window lining and all na, it's completely in a coupe style. Don't you feel it like it's in a coupe style? I personally like it because it, at some angles na, it gives a very sporty look. I like it. Okay, straight away entering the rear door. So what is this now? If I see, I'm holding the door. As soon as I leave it, it will get closed. So that's why I have to hold it and show you. So you can see this is going to be a rear door. You're getting leather upholstery over here. Power window switches. Chrome door handles inside. You can lock and unlock your car from here. 1 liter bottle can easily fit and some amount of storage space over here. A speaker over here you're getting. And let's give you an overview over here of the rear seats. You can see the rear seats looks very nice. So straight away let me just enter the rear seat. And okay, here we go, closing the door. Okay guys, so this is going to be your rear seat. So as you can see over here, you're getting leg room. So not much of leg room, decent amount of leg room. And under thigh support is the best for me, but for tall passengers it can be a little bit problem. And you're getting a Honda Honda mats over here. And getting an armrest. And this full interior is in a beige color, which is very nice. Cup holders on the armrest. Armrest even gets very nice leather upholstery. 3 adjustable headrests, including the center one as well. And you're getting a hanger to hold on, okay. And this is a hook, so maybe you can hang your coats and all over here. No hook on the other side, only one hook over there. But you're getting a handle again over here. Light placement is nice. Reading lamps, which is halogen. No scooped out seat backs, but magazine holder. And the rear seat is also quite nice. If you see the view from here, very nice. And straight away let's enter the driver's side now. So let's go guys. Where we have closed the door. Straight away let's open the driver door. So no keyless entry, no push button start, nothing sort of that. But the front door looks very nice, I will say. You're getting chrome door handles, again lock, unlock button. So power window switches, auto one touch. See, this is all one touch, okay. So this is one touch down, one touch up for the driver side. And you can lock and unlock your car from here. You can child lock all the windows. Some amount of storage space over here. 1 liter bottle can easily fit. And some amount of space here where you can keep your documents if you feel to. Speaker over here. So this is not the top trim, this is the lower trim, so you will get manual adjustable seats. But if you go for the top trim, you get electrically adjustable seats, but this is manual right now. So this is a seat adjustment. Basically you can make the seat high up, you can make the seat down, which is very nice. And this is for your recline angle. And if you want to take the seat front and back, you have this lever, which is nice. And you can open your fuel from here. You're getting your handbrake over here, brakes, brake paddle, accelerator paddle, some amount of storage space over here. This is your OVO RVM adjustment. You can adjust your OVO RVM from here. This is your headlamp leveler. So let's get inside the car. So I am inside the car right now. Okay guys, so this is going to be the steering wheel of the car. So you can see the steering wheel of the car looks very nice. No mounted buttons, nothing sort of that. Leather upholstery is also nice on the steering wheel. Honda logo up front there. And if I talk about the instrumental cluster, so you're getting your speedometer as well as your tachometer. So in the tachometer, red lines up till 8,000 it can redline, and the top speed of the car can go till 220, which I'll not recommend you people to take it till that speed. Drive between 100 only, 100 to 60. Please don't overspeed. And you can see the MID. So you can see your car door open. Oh, the rear door is open. Never mind, I'll close it afterwards. And you can see very nice. And straight away, if I tell you about the center console, you can see no start stop engine button. You have to put your key. If I tell you about the center console, it's very nicely done, I would say. Getting a system, And if you go for the top variant, then you will get a dual zone climate control. But this is the lower trim, second lower trim, so you will not get any dual zone or automatic climate control. You will get normal climate control, and your automatic gearbox. So this is an automatic variant, and then you're getting some amount of storage space at the down over there. Your armrest, both the sides are getting armrest, and this is your thief glove box actually. So let's open it up. So this is your thief glove box, so you can close and open it from here. This is your hazard light switch, and on the right side you're getting your wiper controls, and on the left side you're getting your lights control. So, and lights and indicator stock on one place. Let's use the wiper right away. So you can see the wiper, very nicely it works, so that's a good thing about it. And the center console also is very nice, and if you notice that the interior of this car is in beige color, which is very nice. Okay guys, so straight away let's play an audio right away. Okay guys, so as you saw that the music system, or rather the audio system, is quite nice. Rather the sound system, yep, the sound system of the car is quite nice. And let me tell you, it gets 6 speakers. So the placement of the speakers I'll tell you right away. So there's one speaker over there, second speaker over there, third speaker over there, fourth speaker over here, and the rest are in the rear doors I just showed you. Let's show you once again. Let's just close this, open it properly. Yep. So fifth speaker over here and sixth speaker over there. So you're getting 6 speakers in the car, which is really nice. And straight away entering the front side again. And if you talk about safety, so this is a lower trim, so you don't get much of safety, but you get 2 airbags only. If you go for the higher trim, maybe you might get 4 or 6 airbags you might get. But in the lower trims, so this is the second lower trim, so you get only 2 airbags. So 1 airbag over here, second airbag over there, and you're getting ABS also, ABS EBD. You're getting that in the car, which is quite nice for the safety. And if you want to hear the horn of the car, the horn of the car is also quite nice, not bad. And okay guys, so I hope I've showed you everything. And this is the glove box. I have not showed you one thing actually. This is your rear view mirror, which is not auto dimming. Yeah, because it's a low trim, so they will not give you an auto dimming. If you go for the higher trim, you will get an auto dimming mirror for sure. And this is your halogen lights inside, and your vanity mirror over here. Let me show you over here your vanity mirror. This is your vanity mirror. Actually, it also has a cover, but for now it has come out, so please pardon me for that. And the previous, the CRV which I showed you before, that had a sunroof, right? But this one doesn't have a sunroof because this is not a top trim, this is a lower trim, so you're not getting any sunroof in the car. Handle again there to hold on, handle over here also to hold on. And you're getting one more good feature in the car, which should be in all cars in fact: adjustable seat belt height. If you can see it here, yep, adjustable seat belt height, which is quite nice. And that's about it guys. I hope I told you that I will show you the indicators, right? So let's show you the indicators right away. So the indicators, the look is it like, let's close the door. The indicators look is like this. You can see on the OVO RVM. Then in the front, on the headlamps, you can see nicely done. Again, if I show you in the rear, on the rear also it's nicely done. So if let me show you over here, there's less of right. Okay, so you can see halogen indicator, so that's a good thing. And first of all, you're getting Honda Match. And if you're wondering where's the handbrake of the car, I know that you guys know it because I've already showed you in the previous Honda CRV video which I had shooted. But let's show you the handbrake again. So you're getting your handbrake over here, some amount of storage space again over here. Okay guys, I hope I've told you each one thing of the car. and thank you guys for watching this video. Okay guys, so this is my vlog of the Honda CR-V 2008 model, and this is the EX variant, and I hope you all loved this video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Laris. I will meet you soon in the next video. So till then, bye bye and take care.